Happy greetings. I am Raja Jayan. Today I am going to tell English Unit 1 Nouns. Super speed cards. Set 1 Beautiful, princess, huge, castle, playful, kingdom, adult, doctor, palace, golden, delighted, goods, behind, everyday, usually, pond, flow, catch, eagle, splash, accept. Set 2 Upset, fallen, slimy, dune, pretty, short, softly, lived, look, litten, pillow, plate, precious, promise, jumped, swam, minutes, overjoyed, glad, thanking, followed, leech, set, leap, loyal, stood, greetings, exclaimed, forgot, quickly, chef, prepared, silly, promise, settled, angel, comfortably, signed, ignored, imagine, missing, pulled, covers, standing, broken. Set 4 Apology, condition, laughed, tasteless, awake, heavily, hardly, countable, singular, plural, sillier, perfume, teaching, whiteboard, blackboard, ugly, students, classroom, noise, challenge, castle, adult, irritated, giggle, splash, overjoyed, glad, thanking, greetings, exclaim, comfortably, prepared, imagine, standing, apology, whiteboard, ugly, blackboard, classroom, slimy, dune, sillier, noise, condition, thank you, love you all.